Well, hello friends and neighbors. It has been fun, man. Cutting out trees and clearing a path for Mr. Septic System and getting it all burned up and stuff. There was a pile about 20 feet by 25 feet by about 10 feet tall this side of the fire pit, and it got all burned up. Got one more stump there. I tagged these trees. I'm about to run out of time on this track hoe, and I'm gonna have to give it up. But I went and ribboned some trees. I want to see if I can find somebody that does a little logging. I've got some other trees up on another part of the property that need to come out, but I want to keep this big one right here if I can, and stuff, because it is a little over 32 feet from the creek, so that I can keep my field drain for the septic on the other side of that tree. I gotta have to put in some retaining wall stuff. I'm gonna put in some big boulders and just lay big boulders up across there, and then I've got all that other dirt over there on that other piece of property that I've got to do something with. I can bring a bunch of it over here and fill it in where that retaining wall at this point right here. I'm down here by the fire pit. That would be around 5 foot tall, and stuff. And I'm not going to lose any of this. I won't lose any of this strip out in here. I got some firewood going. I still got some more work to do on that. But I'd still keep my nice little grassy strip through here, and I'd end up with another grassy strip right up there. I'd terrace it, because just up there is that other little flat area, which I think I'm just going to use as long-term parking for anybody that's section hiking or something and needs a place to park, and they can just park up, one or two vehicles up there out of the way. Alright, this is getting a long video. Everybody have fun, hike safe.